Here we are going to look at how to derive the quadratic formula. So I am starting with the general equation of a quadratic equation in standard form. So remember, when we are completing the square, the first thing is to move the c to the other side. So subtract c from both sides. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to write ax squared plus bx is equals to minus c. Then you can see the coefficient of x squared is not 1, so we are going to divide everything by a, and when we do that, what do we get? So we get x squared plus b over a x is equals to negative c over a. Then the next thing is I'm going to take x squared plus b over a, and then I'm going to add half the middle term squared. So for this one, let me use a different color here so that you can see it starts out b over a, half of that, so squared, so is equals to, and here I have minus, so you have minus c over a, and remember, what you do on one side, you do it to the other side, so plus b squared over 2, so that's b over 2a, and that is squared. And then my next step is just going to simplify that, and see, this is going to be, I'm going to factor out this side of the equation, and see, to factor this one, this just becomes x plus, I take the number in parentheses, remember it's positive, over 2a, that will be the factored form of this side, is equals to, this is b squared. I'll write the b squared first here, b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. I just changed the order. And then my next step, let me simplify my right hand side. So I'm going to get a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply this by 4a and this by 4a, and what do I get on the next step? So on the next step, I still have the x plus b over 2a squared is equals to b squared, and then I'm just going to put everything together because I have the same denominator, so 4a squared, and then I'm going to use the square root property and find the square of both sides. So when I do that, this is going to be x plus b over 2a is equals to, and this is going to be plus or minus, and then this is b squared over 4 over c over 4a squared. And let me get some more space on the other side. What I want you to see now is, if I have x plus b over 2a is equals to, see, this is the same as, I can split the top, b squared, oh, I forgot something, see, this should be 4ac, let me fix that, see, this is 4ac, this is 4 AC from the previous step up there. So this is b squared over 4AC, and this is divided by square root of 4a squared. And you can see I cannot be able to simplify the numerator, so I still have plus or minus, and this is b squared b squared 4ac, and my denominator becomes square root of 4 is 2, square root of a squared is just a, and this is still x minus, plus b over 2a. And finally I can subtract b a from both sides, so I get x is equals to minus b over 2a. This is plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So here my final answer becomes minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and everything is over 2a. And there is the quadratic formula.